That looks like a big dining. A big dining.
What does?
That one, that looks like a big, a giant dining. Ah.
Ah.
Um.
I liked when you and Nora and Daddy went up high in the caboose.
I liked sink.
The sink.
I like the rods. The wall.
The words.
Rods.
The rods.
What did you like next?
I liked seeing the big driving wheels on the train.
I like seeing the rods.